What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I got a really quick workflow tip for you, so let's get right into it. So when you're in the piano roll, instead of going to each individual insert, right-clicking and then doing piano roll, or going up here and clicking on the insert to switch what element you're seeing in the piano roll, you can actually click a shortcut and do it a lot quicker. So when you're in the piano roll, just hold Control and K, and it will switch between your elements. If you look up right here while I'm pressing this Control and K, you can see it move as well as the pattern. See, I'm switching through the snares. I'm on a hi-hat now, another hat, back to sample. And then you can go through all of your other elements as well, not just stuff that's in the channel rack. So we got a primate perk loop, a wing it perk loop, a tag, and then we're also going through all of our automation as well. You can keep going through all that until you get back to your elements. So yeah, just a really quick tip. Control K while you're in the piano roll to switch the pattern between your elements. Really simple, but adds so much workflow. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all.